Hi everyone! Welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang! It's easy, tasty Korean cooking channel. I'm Yujin. Today's menu is Kkakdugi, which is Korean radish kimchi. It's a very popular side dish, especially with Korean soups tang. I have a mukbang video here, so go check it out, okay? Even some people say that Korean tang restaurants compete in kkakdugi, not the soup. That's how we are all serious about this kkakdugi. Usually, Korean radishes get sweeter in fall, so around this time, it's good to make kkakdugi. It's easier and faster than nappa cabbage kimchi, and especially this recipe is very easy and simple version, so anyone can make it even if this is the first time, okay? I'm gonna just use 3 radishes. I think that's enough for 2 weeks for 2 people. So I can enjoy fermented kkakdugi for fried rice about 10 days later. If I have a chance, I will show you how to make kkakdugi fried rice too, okay? So subscribe me! Kkakdugi is also very good with all other Korean dishes too. I'm sure you want to try this delicious and healthy Korean side dish. So let's get started! I always put all the ingredients and links on the description of the video, so please check it out, okay? Wash and peel the radishes. Cut into half square inches cubes. Chop the green onions. I used the large green onions, but you can use the small ones. Just remember the total chopped green onions should be at least 3 cups. Now prepare the garlic. I was trying to show you it's really 3 tablespoons, but apparently it's not that easy, right? Put cubed radishes in the large container. I just used the large pot. We doesn't need enough space to mix the radishes. Put half cup of red chili powder. It should be flake size, not the fine powder, okay? Mix them well. When you mix, you have to wear gloves, otherwise your skin gets sore. We have to use natural sea salt. Put 4.5 tablespoons of sea salt. Three tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of plum extract. If you don't have plum extract, just put 1 more tablespoon of sugar instead. And my magic sauce, anchovy fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of it. Now put 3 cups of green onions and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Mix them well. It looks like I'm attacking my Kkakdugi. Actually, it's more like massaging them evenly, okay? It looks so good. Now add an egg. The reason why we put an egg is it helps the kkakdugi gets fermented faster, so we don't have to wait for days. Mix them well again. Wow, the taste is very good. From now on, everyday kkakdugi's taste is getting more flavorful as time goes by. So enjoy every day, okay? If you keep one of the bottle of kkakdugi at room temperature overnight, you can start to enjoy the full flavor even faster. Good luck! Probably you don't believe this kkakdugi is still good as other recipes because it's so easy. But trust me, you will be very surprised, okay? Even just trying this kkakdugi with the cooked rice and roasted seaweed, it's so good. I hope your kkakdugi turned out great and you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video and I will see you next time, okay? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe me for the next video. Bye!